If you're a small business owner and you're using Facebook and Instagram to promote your business, it's really important that you install what's called the Metapixel on your website. And you might think, I don't need to do that because I'm not going to pay for Facebook ads. Some of the things that you can do with the Pixel is once the code's installed on your site, you can set up different kinds of conversions. You can track the people that went to your website. You can track the people who submitted lead forms. You can track the people who made purchases on your website. Even more powerful, and this is my favorite part about Facebook ads, is that you can create something called lookalike audiences with that data. You can tell Facebook, take all the people who have been to my website and find the people most like them. Show my ad to those people. Facebook knows more about us than we know about ourselves, if you ask me. So they'll find trends in the data or similarities between the people that go to your website, and they will find those threads and show the ads to the people who they believe will be the most likely to interact with them or purchase from you or fill out your lead form. Keep in mind that Facebook's business is selling ads to businesses. That is how they are making their money. So they want to do a good job. They want to have high conversion rates. They want your ads to perform well. Message today is, if you don't have a Metapixel on your website, you are advertising on Facebook and Instagram, you should go through the steps to install the Metapixel to begin collecting that data, regardless if you ever decide to use it. Because 1, 3, 5 years from now, you might really want that data, and then you can cost effectively start leveraging it to run social media ad campaigns and get the outcomes that you want.